So next question is question number 7, page 18. Given that if A is equal to a set X, where X is a natural number, set B is X, where X is an even natural number, and C, X is an odd natural number, and D, where X is a prime number. So all sets of natural sets, even numbers, odd numbers, and prime numbers are given, right? So first, set A has solution. Set A is a set of natural numbers that we know that contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this. This is the set A. Right? Now set B. Set B is X is an even natural number. Means even natural number are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, this are even natural number. Set C, X is an odd natural number. So odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, this are even natural odd natural numbers. And D is a prime number, and prime number means a number which has only two factors, that is its number itself and 1. So first prime number is 2, then 3, 5, then 7, not 9 because 9 is 3, 3s are 9 and 1. So 1, 3 and 9 are factors. Then 11, 13, 15s are not included. Then 17, 19, this are prime numbers. Now we have to find out A intersection B first. So first answer, A intersection B. So now set A is this and B is this. So set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this. Intersection set B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, this. Right. So now intersection. Intersection means a set has a common points, which are our answer. So find out common point, that is 2. These are common elements. 4, 6. Then we have here continuation number because this is a natural number. So set this, that is B is our answer, right? So this is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this. I am not writing more elements. So this is the set B. So our answer will be A intersection B is equal to B, because all the elements of B are in A. B is a subset of A, right? So this is answer B. Now second question is A intersection C. So A intersection C. A is continuation number, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this. I am not writing more, right? Intersection C. C is the set of odd natural numbers. So answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, this. So B. Intersection means common point, common elements, that is 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5. So all elements of this set C are in set A. That is C is a subset of A. So our answer is C, obviously. So answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, this. Right? So answer is C. Answer is C. So if you want to write here, then you can write here clearly C is a subset of A, right? So A intersection C is equal to C. Similarly here, clearly, or if you want to write, then you can write or B is a subset of A. So therefore A intersection B is equal to B. If you write this answer, then this also is also valid and correct answer, right? Third one. So third one is given A intersection D. Now A is natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash intersection. Now D is the set of all prime numbers, right? So 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7, right? Then 11, 30, this, right? So now again 2 here, 3 is also here, 5. So intersection of these two sets are 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, right? This. That is a set D. So answer is set D. Or you can write also here D is a subset of A. So this implies A intersection D is equal to D, because all sets are subset of a natural numbers given, right? Then fourth question. So fourth question is, we have to find out B intersection C. So B intersection C. Now B is the set of even numbers. So B is set of even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, intersection. C is 1, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, Now intersection of these two sets. This is a even numbers, this is odd numbers, and you know intersection of even number and odd number are always a null set. So answer will be 5, because there is no common elements in these two sets. Then fifth question is B intersection D. So fifth question is B intersection D. Now B is even natural numbers. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Intersection D is the set of prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, Now find out common element, that is first 2. So we can get 2 here. Then 4 is not contained, then 6, not 11, 10, 12, another are not, because this is 2 only, because you know 2 is the even prime numbers. So you can write directly also, this is B is even natural number and D is prime numbers. So which only number 2 is even prime numbers. So intersection is that. And sixth one is, we have to find out C intersection D. So C intersection D is equal to, now C is the set of odd natural numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, and D is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, right? So 1 is not containing, but these 3, 5, 7 are there. So we get 3, 5, 7. Then 11 is also here, 13 is also here. So 11, 30, 17 is also we get here. So these all are your answer, right? So this is a nice question, right, which clears your funda, right, concept. Okay, so no need to write these sets if you know your concept, right? If you are conceptually clear, then you can write directly like this all the answer. Okay. Now another new definition of sets, that is disjoint set. Disjoint means different, right? same, the name says disjoint, means different, separate. So two sets are said to be disjoint if intersection of both set is null set. Then these two sets are said to be a disjoint set. Suppose if we want to draw a diagram, right, Venn diagram, then this is your universal set U. So this is universal set U. Now intersection of both set is empty set. That is, suppose this is a set A and this is a set B. Then these both sets are said to be a disjoint because intersection is phi here. So A intersection B is equal to phi here. So these two sets are said to be a disjoint set. So remember one thing. Disjoint set means intersection of that two sets are null set, empty set. Then the sets are said to be a disjoint set. Suppose I am taking one illustration. For example, if I take A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is your 7, 8, 9. Then clearly intersection of these two sets, A intersection B, has no element common in this set. So this is 5. Therefore A and B are disjoint set. A and B are disjoint sets, right? So for clarify this definition, we have one question. Question number 8, page 18. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? So we have to find out intersection. If intersection is 5, then the set pair are disjoint. So suppose we take this as a first answer. First, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And B. Suppose we say that this is a B. So set B is equal to, what is given? X is a natural number. X is a natural numbers. Means we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to n. But also condition is given. 4 is less or equal to X is less or equal to 6. Means we have to take 4 and 6 also. Right? And we can't express this in interval form. Right? So we can't write this in this 4 and 6. Right? Because it's given only natural numbers, not given R. If it is given R, then we can write in interval form. So keep in mind this. Remember this thing. If R is given, then we can write in interval form only. Otherwise, natural numbers are never expressed in this interval form. So we have to include 4, then 5, and also 6 are there. So also 6. So now intersection of these two sets. So A intersection B is clearly 4 is clear here, is a common element. So 4 is a common element. So this is intersection of this is 4 is not equal to 5. If intersection of these two sets is 5, then we say that this is a disjoint set. So therefore A and B are not disjoint sets. A and B are not disjoint sets. Now for second, suppose we say that B is equal to this set. This set is B, is A, E, I, O, U, and C is C, D, E, F. Right? So now intersection of these two sets, B intersection C is there any element A? No A. E? Yes, E is there. So this is E. Then I, no I. O, no. U, no. So this is E. So this is again a singleton set not equal to 5. Therefore B and C are not disjoint sets. So I am writing here. So therefore B and C are not disjoint sets. Right? Now third one. Third one is given X. X is an even integer and another set is C, then D and E. E is X is an odd integer. You know, even integers and odd integers are mixed up, then it's become a natural number, but intersection is always 5, right? So C then D. D is equal to, we take X as even integers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dash, and E is equal to odd integers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, dash. Right? So clearly D intersection E is 5. So therefore D intersection E is equal to 5. Therefore D and E are disjoint sets. Right? So clear? So when two sets are said to be a disjoint, if intersection of their two sets are 5, null set, there is no common elements, then two set is said to be a disjoint sets. Okay? Question number 12, page 18. State whether each of the following statement is true or false and justify your answer. Right? So first given 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So for solution, first we assume that first set is A. So A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to given 3, 6. So intersection of these two sets, right? So A intersection B. So A intersection B is equal to 2, no 2 here, 3, yes 3 is there. So 3, 4, no 4, 5, no 4. So 3, this is a singleton set, is not equal to 5. So therefore A and B are not disjoint sets. And what is given? This A and B are disjoint set, means given statement is false. So this is your justification, right? So given statement is false. So given statement is false, right? Now second, this is A, E, I, O, U. Say suppose this is a set C. Set C is A, E, I, O, U. That is all vowels, right? And B, D is equal to, I am taking D. So D is equal to A, B, C, D. Right? Now, C intersection D. So C intersection D is A is common. So A, E, no E, I, no I, O, no, U, no. So we get A is not equal to 5. So C and D are not disjoint sets. So therefore C and D are not disjoint set. And what is given? Given that C and D are disjoint set. Again given that this is a disjoint set, so this is not disjoint set. Therefore given statement is false. So given statement is, again this is also false, right? Now third one. So third one, 2, 6, 10, 14. Say this is set E. So set E is equal to 2, 6, 10, 14 and set F is equal to 3, 7, 11, 15. Right? So given that these two sets are disjoint set, means we have to find out again the intersection. So E intersection F is equal to 2, no 2, 6, no 10, no 14. So this is 5. Means E and F are disjoint sets. So therefore E and F are disjoint sets. And what is given in a statement? That this E and F are disjoint sets. So given statement is true. So therefore given statement is true. Given statement is true, right? And the last one, fourth, C, D, E. Suppose we take F, then G. So set G is 2, 6, 10. So this is 2, 6, 10. And H is 3, 7, 11. And question is, are disjoint sets? Are disjoint set means we have to again find out intersection of both sets. So G intersection H is equal to, now no 2, no 6, no 10. So intersection is empty set 5. I am not writing this. You can write this also, but I am not writing this set. I am writing empty set is 5. Right? So G and H are disjoint sets. So therefore G and H are disjoint sets. And what is our question? Question given that this and this sets are disjoint. That means given statement is true. So therefore given statement is true. Right?